Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from STARFIX. This is the Spitfire Mark 9 in 1/48 scale. So here on the front cover we can see a photo of a finished version of the model. If we continue on the sides, we can see here model 709/10. Different angle of the model there. We have to rotate this around. Similar pictures. Let's check the other end piece there. And similarly on both sides there as well. If we look on the back, we can see here marking and painting guide in different languages. And a little bit of a safety warning there. Sticker overlaying another mark there, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let's take a look at this first. Instructions are one sheet. There's a photo again of the finished model, similar to the cover in black and white. Here's instructions beforehand, parts list, assembly instructions in text only, and then on this side, illustrations for the instructions. It's very basic. If we look at the parts themselves, it looks like they've already been separated off the sprues. And I do believe this was purchased used, but it looks like it was not really worked on that much. So here are your fuselage halves. Pretty good molding there. You can see all the rivets are pretty crisp. And no molding coloration variations that I can see that sometimes you see on larger models. It looks like some instructions for the decals. This itself seems to have been curled up a bit. Here are the actual decals. This feels very thin to me, the backing, just as a warning. So I'm not sure if these decals would actually disintegrate or not if they were soaked. Here's some additional pieces still on the trees there. And let's check out the wings. Looks like nope. All the wing pieces are separate as well. Let's take a look at the molding there. See if we can flip these over at the same time. Okay, so that's what I mean by a little bit of the variation in the molding. You can actually see a little bit of kind of a grain pattern there in the wing there particularly as well. But the rivets do appear very crisp, as well as these cutouts for the landing gear. So that's pretty cool, actually. Let's see if we can get a year from this. I don't see any date marks on here. So if anybody knows, please shout in the comments. I'm taking a look at the sheet again, but I do not see a date on any of this information. What's interesting there, no Spitfire is reversed, as well as the other decals as well. I think it's kind of interesting. But taking a very quick look at the STARFIX Spitfire Mark 9 in 1/48 scale. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do a selection of show and tell videos, as well as book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.